2BX. It's your boy Daddy Easy here, iPod jailbreak hacker, otherwise known as Only Using Me Tomahawks. Some of you guys may know me as Easy, like I always say, to the black to the blue on my avatar on my YouTube channel. Yeah, buddy. So I got a nice unboxing for you guys. So we're going to get to the nitty gritty, down diddy, and show you exactly what I purchased. You can probably already see the title of this video, but you already know the deal. Bat knife, box, bat knife. Let's unbox this shit. So I'm actually recording this a little bit different. I'm using Audacity for the very first time to use my mixer in my recording. I normally never record like this. I normally use the onboard microphone or connect my XLR to my Note 20 Ultra and have the sound basically going like that. But I'm doing different things and actually going to be editing this video for the very first time. So what did I pick up? You can see right here we got a GoXLR. Let's put this to the side. And we got the Zoom ZDM 1, which I'm kind of upset because I wanted to pick that up yesterday at Best Buy. When I called them, they told me that they didn't have none in stock, but then when I went to Best Buy yesterday, they wound up having this in stock, and I already ordered one, so I wasn't going to order another one. So that being said, let's get to unboxing both of these things really quick. So we're going to unbox this one first, as it has no seal on it, which I really hate when they don't put seals on it, because you know people can steal stuff out of here. Damn it, this thing is tight. Okay, and I am having a hard time opening this box up without accidentally hitting my camera. So let's move this out the way really quick, because I know I am going to scratch myself up. And that's in there very tightly. Wow. Okay, let's get that side open. Okay, there we go. Got that side open. Open this up right here. So what did we get? We got the menu, and we get the microphone without an XLR cable. So this is it right here. It sounds like it's metal. People saying this was plastic. It feels like metal. Okay, this part is definitely metal, but this part feels like plastic. It could be because the ring inside of it is metal inside of plastic, so I don't know. I wonder if my shock mount will actually fit this. I don't know, but if anything, we'll test everything out at a later time. Okay, we got the microphone. We got the extra adapter right here, which my microphone arm already has it. So that's that right there. So we're gonna take this and we're gonna move the microphone and this to the side so we can unbox the GoXLR. Y'all know me, normally I'll do the unboxes separately, but different things, different times, different measures, different unboxings. So yeah, we're doing it like that. So I don't know why they don't put freaking this stuff inside, I don't know, with a tab or, you know, things like that, so things don't get stolen. But where is the opening part for this box? The world may never know. So I guess I have to. Okay, they do got tape on it, so that's the good thing. There we go right there. What is shaking? A glass hitting my other microphone. So I don't know if you guys was able to hear that, but okay, let's pick this up. So what we get with the GoXLR, we get, what is this, the USB A to USB B. I have multiple of these. I got a launch pad and mixers. I got these in different colors like green, orange, purple, pink, blue. I might use my blue one. I don't know what I'm gonna do because you ain't gonna be able to see the cords anyway, so it doesn't matter. And here is the GoXLR right here, and we just get a manual. Now the only reason why I picked this up is because it was on sale, and I only paid $175 for it on Amazon because it was on sale. So you know me, if I can get it at a cheaper sale, or if things is free, it's for me. So yeah. So y'all know I originally purchased this. Now, I don't want to do a review for this because it's not a review, but this right here controls everything I do on my computer. Like, I barely use my Stream Deck. I use my Stream Deck when I need to do like simple things like load up programs and stuff like that. But this can do the exact same thing. But I've been using this more than this, and it's messed up. And I just brought this basically to use with my PlayStation 5, and I don't want to get rid of this mixer. I love this mixer so much. It has Bluetooth on it, but everybody told me to get it, so I purchased it. So yeah, shouldn't be listening to what everybody said, but it's an investment that is going to help me in the long run, and it's going to work out better for me for the needs that I need for. So yeah. So that's why I got it. So there we go. So let's remove the removable film. I don't know how good you guys will be able to hear this, but if I can find it. The faders, I don't know. I like the faders on the PC panel. It feels way better. Alright, so try to get my fingernail inside of this to pull out the thing. And because I cut my fingernails off, I literally can't get it. So hopefully I can do it like this. And maybe just pull it up, because I have no freaking nails. And can I use this? No, I can't. So yeah, I'm not going to be able to pull this up, and I'm not going to try to spend $15,000 trying to get this thing up. Hold on, there we go. So let me pull it towards the mic. You're not going to be, let me just rotate the mic a little so you guys can actually see a little. And here it goes. I'm going to pull it off. And there she goes. So I'm going to set all this stuff up. I already got a fingerprint on it. This is going to replace the mixer that's right here, and I got that right there. So yeah, that's everything right there, boys. Thank you guys for watching. It's your boy Daddy Easy here, iPod jailbreak. I'm sorry. It's your boy Daddy Easy here, iPod jailbreak hacker, otherwise known as only using tomahawks. And I will catch you guys later. Remember, live it, love it, game it. Peace and deuces, and I'll catch you guys later. Boom. That's it, and I'm out. Deuces.
I can never ever find the right words, and there's no way this is real life. There's no telling you're the right girl, so I can only say that it feels right. It feels